Every time things get a little bit hard, you're running out already. As soon as things get a little bit difficult, you're already fucking tapping. You're already quitting. You're already thinking of a new idea, new business, new relationship, new way out, new diet, new whatever the fuck it is. Guys, it's supposed to be hard. Stop looking for the fucking easy route, man. You're always looking for the easy route. It's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be difficult. Because if it was going to be easy, everybody would do it. Everybody would be ripped. Everybody would have a six-pack. Everybody would be rich. Everybody would be driving a fucking badass car. Everybody will live a nice house. Everybody would have a good marriage. But all that good things is only selected for the few who are willing to take the pain and keep pushing forward. That's the only people it's for. It's not meant for the fucking people who quit as soon as things get hard. Guys, you know, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, man, like it's average 10 years of study. Now you got motherfuckers handing out belts because they want to keep memberships and shit. You got people hanging around relationships just to say that they're in a relationship. Guys, get after it, man. Go through the hardships. The results will be on the other side. Have a fucking kick-ass day.